Water Resource Minister Awangbow Newmai announced that a second meeting will be scheduled soon following yesterday's discussion at Khan Market in New Delhi attended by Kuki and Mlas. He made this announcement upon his arrival at Imphal International Airport from Delhi. Speaking to reporters, he explained that the meeting was organized by Ministry of Home Affairs to address the prolonged crisis in Manipur, which has been persisting for over 16 months. The meeting resolved to appeal to both warring communities to de-escalate tensions as a first step. However, the ministry has instructed the MLAs not to disclose details about the meeting to the public. Additionally, Health and Family Welfare Minister Dr. Sapam Ranjan arrived in Imphal today, with other ministers and MLAs expected to arrive on subsequent flight.
We discuss Manipur peace program. We discuss details of the meeting. We proposed through the official channel. Ngarang pithok na kali. Adugi detail dia authorized to dia tare. Adu makata na adugi peace initiative to law ngai dia pamiam decision law. Athu bada amuk unarga. Ako Manipur kamai na santi puraksara habiki miam punna kana bagi makata. Adubadi I kanjadre. Ako punu une. Ko some cordial discussion tawrame. All the parties miamna kamai na Manipur da santi puraksara have discussed a lot tawrame. Amakata abdate moi unabo na ta de ko separately unabo na ta ve de kanjadre.
Sa dugo ngani community main initiative kanan to.
Home ministry in the home ministry.